The return of the Alfa Romeo 33 Stradale is not just a revival, it is a rebirth. Alfa Romeo has honored one of its most iconic creations by crafting a new, hand-built supercar limited to just 33 units. It is a tribute to the original 1967 33 Stradale, yet it boldly steps into the future with advanced materials, groundbreaking performance, and unmatched customization. This modern masterpiece is a story of passion, engineering, and design excellence, told through a series of unforgettable moments and milestones. From its very first sketch to the high-speed laps on the Balocco proving ground, the 33 Stradale project came to life in just under 2 years. A select group of enthusiasts and collectors were invited behind the scenes to experience the journey firsthand. Their adventure started on the legendary track where the car's prototype demonstrated its balance, handling, and soul. With a twin-turbocharged V6 engine producing 630 horsepower and a top speed of 333 kilometers per hour, it is not only fast, it is alive. 2 drive modes, road and track, offer different flavors of excitement. In road mode, it is smooth and refined. But in track mode, the Stradale unleashes its full potential, including a quick start feature that optimizes acceleration and minimizes wheel spin. Customization is where the experience truly becomes personal. At the heart of this lies the Bottega Alfa Romeo, a creative space that brings customers together with designers, engineers, and historians. Every detail, from the stitching of the seats to the color of the paint, is chosen by the owner. The experience mirrors the artisan workshops of the past, where each car is a reflection of its owner's taste and spirit. Within weeks of its announcement, all 33 units were spoken for. Building the car is a feat of craftsmanship. Alfa Romeo partnered with Carrozzeria Touring Superleggera, a legendary coach builder based in Turin. The production process is both high-tech and handcrafted, involving 8 specialized workstations. The carbon fiber monocoque, aluminum frame, and precision fit body panels are assembled with meticulous care. Even the paint is applied by hand in 3 separate layers to ensure a flawless finish. After final testing and inspection, the completed car is finally delivered, each one a unique expression of Italian automotive artistry. One of the most emotional chapters in the story was the car's return to Monza on August 31st, 2023. That same track hosted the debut of the original 33 Stradale in 1967. In a tribute to the past, Alfa Romeo Formula One cars wore special liveries in celebration. The moment bridged generations of racing passion and symbolized the deep bond between road and track in the Alfa DNA. Throughout 2024, the new 33 Stradale has stunned audiences at international events. At the Via d'Este Concours d'Elegance, it won the Design Concept Award 2024, standing alongside past legends like the 8C Competizione and TZ3. Other accolades followed, including Supercar of the Year and Best in Classic. Whether at Chantilly or Goodwood, the car's sculpted form and raw presence drew admiration from all. Formula One driver Valtteri Bottas, one of the lucky 33 owners, personally tested the prototype at Balocco. He described the car as intuitive, responsive, and emotionally thrilling. For Bottas, the 33 Stradale is not just a car. It is a partner that listens and reacts with surgical precision. The synergy between driver and machine is unlike anything else, delivering control, speed, and unmistakable Alfa Romeo sound. A particularly symbolic moment came on December 17, 2024. That was the day the first customer took delivery of their 33 Stradale. Coincidentally, or perhaps fatefully, that same date marks when Franco Scaglione was first commissioned to design the original in 1966. Almost 6 decades later, Alfa Romeo came full circle, delivering not just a car, but a dream rooted in history and carried forward with vision. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stories like this.